Hey guys and gals, I'm going to show you how to make a tractor that is scaled for minifigures for today's Lego Brick tutorial. Let's start with a 2x6 plate, flip it over. Let's take a modified 2x2 plate with two bearings. We're going to place this on the left hand side, and on the right hand side a 2x4 plate. We're going to hang this over by 3 studs. Let's flip this over, take a modified 2x2 plate with axles and Technic pins. We're going to place this right here, and for a little towing hitch, let's take a 1x4 modified plate with ball socket, place that right there. Right above our axles and our towing hitch, let's secure that with a 2x4 plate, and to finish up this area, a set of 1x2 by 2/3 plate with bow. In this area, 6 studs. Now I'm using pearl silver. This is going to give us the effect of a little engine inside our tractor. Just gives us a little bit more three-dimensional look. And I want to crown off these studs with 3 1x2 radiator grills. Set those right in there. Take a 2x2 by 2/3 plate with 2 studs. In this reveal, I'm going to set a 1x2 plate in that area. I'm going to place this on the left hand side. A 1x2 plate and a 2x2 round plate in this area. Let's place a 2x6 plate right on top of our little engine. For our seat, take a 2x2 by 2/3 plate with 2 studs. I'm going to set down 2 1x1/4 round flat tiles. This is going to be the base of our seat. And for the back, I'm going to take a 2x2 round flat tile. I'm going to place the bottom portion in like so. And we're going to set this on our 2x2 round plate. Let's round up the top with a 2x2 brick with arch. With 2 studs, we're going to place this in the front portion and a pair of 1x2 brick with half arch. Place those right there. And in this area, a 1x2 triple 45-degree slope and a steering wheel console. We'll place that right there. We have to have a way to drive the tractor. And the front, a set of radiator grills. Now what I want to do is place the little stub inside the tubes. We're going to place that right there. Don't worry, they'll line up when you get the second one put in. And for a little exhaust, I'm not sure what these are called, we're going to set a 1x1 nose cone right on the top, and that is pearl silver. For the front wheels, take a wide balloon tire and a wide rim that fits inside the tire. We'll set that in. We're going to make 2 of these. I'll place these right on the front axle. Snap those right in place. And for the back tire, take a large wide rim. We're going to take a large tire that fits over the rim. Set that in like so. We want to have the spokes facing inward. In this area right here, we're going to take a Technic pin with stud, and I want to crown this off with a 2x2 parabola dish. Place that right there. We're going to make 2 of these. We're going to place these for the back wheels for our tractor.